How's everyone doing? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Quant update. Thank you guys so much for the continued support on the channel. We're almost at 6K subscribers, so let's get that final push for it. Please do subscribe. Over half of you are unfortunately not, so it just takes a quick second. Like, subscribe, comment, and then we'll move on with the video. So we're looking at this fresh Quant chart today because I just wanted to reset my mind. Don't worry, I haven't deleted the other chart. This is just a different chart. And I just wanted to look at this chart pretty much from the beginning of this year, and we can see that almost to the exact dollar are we at the same price at of the beginning of the year. So we're only up 4% higher than January the 1st, 2023. I was about to say 2021. Don't know where I've been living last 2 years. It's almost 2024 already. It's crazy out here. But anyways, if you're thinking about when Quant was up here, a lot of people are FOMOing, thinking we're going to go to $200. So it's a guarantee that up here, a lot of people were thinking, oh, I wish I got it a few months back when it was down at $100 and in and around that area over here. So we are back down there. This is a great long-term investment. Whether we lose this key area of support, which is $94 to $100, or bounce from it, personally, I just think this is a great zone to DCA. Anything below the all-time high for me long term is a great buy. We're going to be one day way beyond $400, and so does it really matter if you bought at 100 or 110 or 130 or 150? Not really, guys. So it's just this whole range here has been a time to accumulate over this, since the beginning of this year now. You can see that we actually entered this in November, so wow, almost a year in here now. Definitely like what was that, 9 months or something like that? Nearly there, or about 9 months, yeah. So the reason also why I wanted to look at this chart over here is because I'm seeing a nice pattern that would have been too messy to show you on my actual chart with all those drawings. So it's a diamond pattern. I am seeing a diamond pattern at the moment. Technically speaking, these can break in either direction. But I must say that as we are at support, the higher likelihood is to break out to the upside. I think we've already broken out to the upside. So I'm going to give you those targets today, just in case there is a throwback and we invalidate the upside. Diamond patterns can break down as well. So if we're having a fake out to the upside, it's likely that we head down. So I will prepare you with those bearish targets as well. But what we can look forward to is a big move in either direction. So the title might say something like big move coming or whatever it is, because it's in either direction. We're just simply waiting. So you're now pretty much prepared. We just need to simply wait. While I am doing this, go ahead and smash that like button, and of course leave a comment underneath this video if you enjoyed that live stream yesterday. If you didn't tune in, don't you worry, we will be doing more of them, of course. But I just couldn't do it today because I took my car for an MOT. Thank goodness it passed. Last time I took it, it didn't pass. Can you see that? So pretty much we're getting loads of crossovers where they're meeting, and we can see that it's just a bunch of apexes where the two lines meet here, 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 and here. And essentially this can break out either way. We can see that it's already broken out to the upside right over here. So it's hit it as resistance, reset by coming into the support and breaking out. Now what we need to see is this 20 moving average cross over the 55, and then we've got a daily bullish cross, something that was actually avoided over here. So that's what happens when we fail to form a bullish cross. Price climbed above all the moving averages, the 20 and the 55. It was about to form a bullish cross where the 20 swings over the 55, crossing over. And that would send us in a bull trend, essentially, when we came down to test this as support. As we fell through, you invalidate that potential bullish cross because it wasn't there. Although the price was bullish, we didn't get the cross. And that's like the final nail in the coffin. That's all we needed to really see, guys. And then we would have got that continuation. Oh, my group chat is popping off at the moment. I don't know why. They're talking about bearish div on S&P 500, maybe. I haven't looked at the chart, to be honest, but that's what they're saying in my chat. If you want to hear more about the chat, just wait until the end of the video. Otherwise, message me through my Twitter. You can find all the links you need down in the description down below. I'm going to now get the targets for you. So literally from the highest apex, from the top apex to that one, that's where the two lines meet essentially, and we're waiting for breakdown, which should have happened there if it were to, because the apex was there. It's the last candle that hit the support. So if it wants to break down, that's the opportunity it had. And then equally to the upside right there. Let me just straighten that up. So these are your two targets. I already posted this in the chat yesterday. That's where I'm constantly updating everyone, of course. You can literally hear, I don't know if you can hear those alerts, but They're going crazy in there right now. Something must be going on. We will scale down to the lower time frames, of course, don't you worry. So this is your bullish target, which we've broken out of. So technically this is valid, although beneath the 200 EMA over here. Guys, why is this of interest, this bearish target, this $82 target? Because in actual fact, from many, many moons ago, we had this initial head and shoulders pattern with a target, oh, get ready, at around just a little bit below that area. Look at it, where it is $79. Oh, my mistake, there we go, $79. So we have Confluence suggesting that if this key level of support, which is $94 to $100 is lost, we've got these targets to look forward to. But the belief is that while above this big purple box that I just drew, these targets will not be met. And we can see just over, I think it is somewhere over here right there, we've got a nice support exactly on $83, so right next to that target over there. So we just got further Confluence. We're yet to invalidate the head and shoulders over here. That does send us down there while holding above $94 to $100. It's always going to give you this opportunity to bounce, as we can see. Yes, they've constantly failed, but it's always going to give us that opportunity to bounce and break through the neckline and invalidate the targets to the downside. That's what we need to see from Quant going forward. So I need a reclaim of this key area that I've just drawn, and this is the one that we've been talking about on the channel for the past 2 weeks now. This would have been this is the third week of talking about this right now. So all we need to do is break through this area that I've just drawn, meet this diamond patterns target, and then of course flip this neckline. Once you get up there, it's support. Sorry you keep hearing all these alerts today. I can't help it, guys. Busy man today. But yeah, we want to hold this as support and then look for that continuation. So it's quite cool that we have a target at 133, because even before we spoke about this diamond pattern, I think we kept on mentioning that area previously. Maybe it was from here to here, I might be mistaken. But no, I don't remember exactly. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. That'll remind me. So yeah, it was this from here to there. That's what we were doing the whole of the last 2 weeks. From there down to there. And then we scale back over to the daily. And we've got some Confluence in and around that 129 area, the 1618. So we can see that previously it was resistance. This was our neckline of a double bottom over here. So this was the neckline, and then we also previously had this head and shoulders or M pattern or descending triangle over here, which I gave this target down at 106 exactly, and look where it went to. We bounced and I gave this a short from here as well. So these were all tradable, these were all given for free in the YouTube videos, but if you're not aware that they are even free here in the YouTube videos, if you're not spotting the trades themselves, it's because you haven't gained that confidence yet, you haven't learned too much. I've got everything you need from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader. You can already be a bit advanced, whether you want to just join the group chat or get it free for 3 months by getting the course or getting the mentorship, which includes 5 hours or 10 hours of one-to-one help with me, and then you'll have my course to fall back on once that's completed, as well as 3 months in my Discord community for free. If you want to find out more details, hit the links in the description and message me over on my Twitter. Otherwise, head over to the websites and take action like some other people have in the last days or so. So yeah, this is just a neckline of a few previous patterns, and that is where the target is essentially signaling if we were to push through the 200, the head and shoulders neckline, and then head to that double bottom and head and shoulders neckline as well. Then we would be trapped between these 2 points, of course. We'd then need a push out to the upside, and then there's pretty much no argument anymore. We would have formed a much larger double bottom, which not only was I calling when I call for something, it's just, you know, I'm just the messenger, aren't I? I don't really care what happens. I'm just showing you that this could potentially happen, and then there you go. I've prepared for you. So whether it happens or not, at least you're prepared. If it happens, thank goodness I prepared it. If it doesn't, oh so well. That's why we always look at 2 cases. So although since November we've been talking about this dead cat bounce and this head and shoulders pattern all the way since when FTX capitulated, I was also keeping in the same breath that while still above $100, and then we adjusted that to $94 to $100, there's a potential for a larger double bottom. that we need to break above $150 to validate, sorry, and then we've got targets up at 300. I was saying that in the same breath as those videos where I was saying that potentially if we do lose 94 to 100, we could go down to those bearish targets over here. We've now got another pattern that has broken to the upside, but if we do have a fake out because of the 200 EMA and that we're yet to invalidate the head and shoulders, there is still that risk that this could be a fake breakout to the upside and that we still roll over and try and meet these targets down here. Even though you might roll over, please understand that this is still support. So we literally need to wait for it to be lost. Like, we need to see it with our own eyes, that final wick being lost. So daily and weekly candle, or daily or weekly candle closes beneath that wick, which is $94, which is quite annoying because you can come all the way down to there and it doesn't really mean that we're going to these targets, because while above that, this is support, we should be buying. And so that's what I'm essentially doing every time it comes down into here. It's a time to DCA. We're yet to get that alert that I set down at the 200 EMA. See, it's coming up a little bit. So yeah, about 108 I did set an alert, but it hasn't been hit. That's where I'll look to DCA between 107 and 108, which is what I mentioned in the last few updates, because it was the area that we were struggling with a lot in the previous week, which was this resistance high over here. So yeah, if we were to ever come down to in and around that area, that's where I'll be looking to DCA. It's already something that I mentioned in the Discord community as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll play that little clip of my chat right now. But yeah, just private message me on my Twitter, whether you want to just follow me there anyway, or find out more details about my offers. Cheers. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You will gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.